party here in our kitchen today. So do you want to take our bakers off the list of ingredients that we have here with us?
Yes, we have a half a cup of butter, 1 box of crispy rice cereal. We have marshmallows.
2 10-ounce packages.
We have some different kinds of chocolate.
We went ahead and used sandwich bags, but you can also use a disposable pastry bag.
And we have some fun ingredients. Sprinkles, white chocolate, milk chocolate, and M&M's.
And the last thing we have here is just a baking dish lined with some parchment paper that we sprayed with some butter spray so nothing would stick. We're gonna start by melting the butter and marshmallows together. We are gonna be by the stove doing this, so just a safety precaution. We always wanna encourage safety first in the kitchen. Valentina and I are both gonna be by the stove, but she's not gonna be really touching anything, just looking into the pot because it'll be really hot and everyone wants to be careful. Sounds good?
Yep.
All right, let's head on over. So we have everything in the pan now. You just want to make sure that you are consistently just mixing this around so that the butter and the marshmallow can melt together at the same time.
Yeah, doesn't that look like a cloud? Don't you want to lay on it?
I do want to lay on it for sure.
Thea, Gigi's in the kitchen.
Oh,
Say it
no.
with me, bakers. Stinky Gigi,
No mooching! This is Stingy Gingy, guys. She likes spending a lot of time with us in the kitchen. She likes to see what we're baking and cooking, right?
Yep, it looks really melted.
It sure is, guys. So this is what it will look like when all the marshmallows and butter have melted together. So now you want to turn off the heat.
So now we're gonna add the Rice Krispies so it can go together.
So we're gonna bring this to the counter now. You can see that the marshmallows are still very melted. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the Rice Krispies so everything can marry together and settle. Can I have the Rice Krispie, please? You wanna remember that the pan is still very hot.
Oh no! Baker, say it with me all together. Stinky Gigi, no mooching!
That's Stingy Gingy. She's always trying to get in our snacks, right? So as I was saying, this is still a very hot pan, so we want to make sure that the kids aren't touching this part quite yet. We're gonna, again, Stingy Gingy! Oh my goodness, she's just all over the place.
Say it with me, bakers. Stinky Gigi, no mooching!
So we're just gonna keep mixing the crispy rice and the marshmallows so that everything comes together.
Yep.
And then once we're done thoroughly mixing, we're going to go ahead and put it in our baking sheet.
Yeah, that looks so yummy and delicious. I can't wait to decorate it and eat it.
Me too. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our baking dish.
Yep.
Again, we want to remember that this is hot, so the parents are gonna do this.
Yep. And the adults should supervise.
Absolutely. God, that looks so glorious.
Yep, it does.
So once the Rice Krispies are in your baking dish, lined with parchment paper, which helps for easy cleanup, we're just gonna go ahead and press it in.
So it's nice and flat.
So it's nice and flat, you got it. All right, that looks nice and smushed, huh? So now we're gonna have to let this sit for how long?
20 minutes.
You got it. It will cool off and solidify, and then we can cut it up and start decorating. All right, bakers, so this has been sitting for how long?
20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. So now we're just gonna go ahead and pull it out of the baking dish, and you can see it came out super easy because we added that parchment paper. We're just gonna go ahead and put it on a tray so that I can cut it up.
Thea's gonna do the cutting and I'm gonna do the decorating. Because kids should not do the knifing or else you can cut yourself.
Exactly.
All right, Thea. It's time to start decorating.
Definitely. Our chocolate just came out of the microwave.
Yeah, these two look like a pyramid.
A pyramid?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. It totally does look like a pyramid. This one too a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
But definitely this one is a square, right?
And this one and this one.
All right. Well, three is a start, right? I'm gonna snip the end for you, and then you can go drizzle, and then we'll add our other toppings, okay? Oh, are those eyes?
Yeah.
For a smiley face? Oh, that one's a good one. That one looks like the emoji. I really like this one. What kind of face do you think that is?
Like.
Last one. Very nice. She's beautiful. Look at how cute this smiley is. What kind of face is he making?
Yeah.
Now it's time to add our additional toppings.
I'm gonna start off with the M&M's.
All right, I'm gonna add some sprinkles.
His nose is green. Perfect. Look at my cheeks.
Definitely super festive and fun. These really look like a party. Well, I think it's time to go ahead and try these delicious creations. What do you think?
Yep.
All right, let's go for it.
Yummy.
That is so yummy. Definitely a party I want to be a part of, right? I'm gonna stay here and just eat our party rice Krispy treats. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up and click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And don't forget, how many times did you see Stingy Gingy? Leave it in the comments below. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.